using malicious advertisements in search engines to lure victims to infected websites is not a new tactic, but it still works. Microsoft recently reported that an attack group bought and placed malicious ads for the collaboration tool Teams, which, of course, now during those lockdown times where many employees actually work from home and use exactly those conferencing systems, can be very effective. According to Bleeping Computer, the recent wave focused on the education sector, which currently is relying a lot on those video conferencing systems for their day-to-day needs due to the lockdown restrictions. Whenever someone clicks on the fake advertisements, they end up at the malicious website that then tries to promote the fake update for Teams, which in the background installs Bladabindi or some other password stealer. In a later stage, the threat tries to download further malware, this time Cobalt Strike backdoor. This can then, for example, be misused by the attacker to compromise the whole network and start rolling out ransomware. It is important to stay vigilant and cyberfit when working with any new software tools, but even better is to use the Acronis Cyber Protect solution with its built-in URL filter that can prevent the user from accessing these malicious sites and of course consequently prevent the installation from any backdoor.